Do you have one of these robot vacuum cleaners at home, and have you ever wondered what happens when they fail you? Today we are invited at the repair center of iRobot in Switzerland. They are going to explain to us how the repair process of their robots works and share with us some of their repair secrets. iRobot was founded in 1990 by MIT roboticists. Originally, they built robots for space exploration and for eliminating mines underwater. However, today's most relevant products are robot vacuum cleaners and mops. The repair process at iRobot starts when the customer submits a repair order via the website. The customer's repair ticket arrives at this office.
We also motivate customers to do easier repairs themselves. We send them our product manuals or links to official repair YouTube videos so they can do it by themselves.
What happens to the warranty if customers open their device?
The warranty remains the same.
Afterwards, they send the robots to the service center. About 30 to 40 parcels with robots arrive here every day. They are unpacked, checked and repaired by the service technicians.
First, we scan the robot to see if it's still under warranty. If it's under warranty, we repair the robot. But we're also very proud that we can repair robots back to 2009 with spare parts available.
This robot here is lucky. Its warranty covers the repair. The fault is easily identified, the replacement part is already in stock and can be taken from the shelf. But difficult cases also occur. This robot has a problem with its control board and the repair requires some soldering. Such a process takes more time and requires more experience. Each repair case is registered with a detailed fault description and the replaced parts. What do you do with this information?
These information go back to our European headquarters in London. This helps to identify typical faults and weak spots. iRobot's product developers can then improve the robots.
One example of such an improvement is the brush unit.
Diese zwei Geräte haben ungefähr 15 Jahre Unterschied von der Entwicklung her. Für ein Seitebürstemodul ersetze haben wir 20 Minuten und hier beim neuen J7 haben wir 2 Minuten. Das Ganze kann ich dir natürlich hier schnell beweisen, indem wir hier insgesamt 5 Schrauben lösen. Und schon haben wir hier Zugang zum Seitebürstemodul. Das Seitebürstemodul besteht aus 2 Schrauben. Wir können das hier nehmen und das neue praktisch wieder einsetzen. Der Kunde kann das Gleiche auch zu Hause machen. Wir können ihm die Module nach Hause schicken und er kann diese mühelos, wie gerade eben gesehen, mit Videos oder sonstigen Anleitungen in 2 Minuten sogar selber ersetzen.
After the actual repair, each robot conducts a test run in the room next to the repair workshop. With up to 10 robots, this can quickly look like a colony of ants. When the test run is successfully completed, the robots are safely packed and added to the shipping container that is picked up at the end of the day. Most of the time, the robots leave the facilities within 24 hours. So what can we take away from this visit? We saw a clear, lean repair process. There were 2 things that especially impressed us. First, there's a feedback loop from their repair processes to the product development for improving future products. And second, end consumers can repair their cleaning robots without voiding the warranty, and iRobot provides rich information. This is definitely exceptional. We hope you enjoyed the tour through this professional repair center. And as always, let us know what you liked about this video and in which areas you want to know more. Thanks for watching and please dare to repair.